My name is Jessica Thorne and I study crafts at Plymouth College of Art. I'm a ceramicist and I hand build functional ware out of porcelain. So in a typical day I tend to come into the studio and I'll start by preparing my clay and then rolling it out. And I've got different templates that I use to cut out all my shapes of the designs I've decided to make that day. And then I might potter about doing extra things like mixing glazes or firing work. So I'm inspired by metal tins and Victorian kitchenware. I think one of my tutors when I was at Plymouth College of Art, he was really into automata. So we were talking about kind of the way that tins put together. And at the college I developed using a different colour to join my work. And I wanted to showcase the importance of craftsmanship in pieces. I managed to get a studio about 9 months after graduating in a shared ceramic studio, so I kind of managed to build up another community of ceramicists again, and that helped me progress into establishing what I wanted to do afterwards. I now run workshops for my studio. I do 2 10-week courses, and that's really great because I get to actually experiment with different techniques that I might not be able to do just for myself, and just being able to pass on information about ceramics and kind of the joy of making to other people I find is really important. I did a foundation diploma in Bristol where I was living and fell in love with the 3D design, and then we were looking through prospectuses for different colleges and I was really drawn to the 3D design at Plymouth College of Art. I was just amazed by all the facilities that they had there, and because you got to try out lots of different techniques and the jewellery and the ceramics and the glass, that's what drew me. I am doing what I love when I'm in my studio, and also the community of craftspeople. For me, I love making things, so being able to make pots all day is fantastic. It's a lifestyle that I'm enjoying and would like to continue.